शिवोऽहं 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 शिवोऽहं. To activate a root chakra specifically, is there any mantra that can be chanted 108 times or more? Lord Ganesha mantra can be chanted to awaken this Mooladhara chakra. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Make an intention, pray to Lord Ganapati, Lord Ganesha, please awaken, activate my Mooladhara chakra. Then you chant the Lord Ganesha mantra 108 times. But do not focus on the Mooladhara chakra. Just chant the mantra without focusing on Mooladhara chakra. If you focus the Mooladhara chakra, then what happens? Mooladhara chakra start expanding and there's imbalance in other chakras will take place. Okay? Shivoham, Shivoham, Shivoham.